Under CEO Elon Musk's leadership, Tesla is known for its relentless pursuit of innovation. The company has consistently introduced new products such as the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y electric vehicles, solar panels, power walls, and recently, the Cybertruck. Along with the innovations that the company is busy with is the Tesla Cybertruck. Today, we are going to share with you the latest Tesla Cybertruck that has recently seen. But before that, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. With its rising popularity, many are excitedly waiting for the release of Tesla Cybertruck, and there were some sightings of the newest truck updates. It's not sure yet whether the one sighted in Palo Alto this February can be considered the Gamma prototype, but it sure does have some comparative designs to the beta prototype released before. Let's start with the side view mirror. There was no side mirror in the beta prototype, but it was mandatory due to legal processes. Of course, depending on where you are, just abide by the laws, folks. Elon has mentioned attempting to make that very simple with a Cybertruck to improve aerodynamics and efficiency. These, in my opinion, go a lot better with the overall aesthetic. Some people may dislike the functionality compromise because they appear smaller. They're more triangular and sharp, so they fit in with the overall Cybertruck aesthetic, but they're a lot smaller and possibly less functional. It significantly reduces their aerodynamic drag and is entirely consistent with the concept art we previously saw. The designer, Al Winart, should be credited with creating the best design for Cybertruck side view mirrors. Although it has not been confirmed that Tesla was inspired by his design, many people believe they are similar. Given the similarities, it is only fitting that Al Winart is credited for his contribution to the Cybertruck's design. There's speculation about why Tesla changed the side view mirror design from the earlier prototypes. Some people believe Tesla wanted to improve the Cybertruck's aerodynamic drag to increase efficiency. This raises questions about Tesla's priorities when it comes to the design and features of its vehicles. Some people suggest that Tesla is more focused on efficiency than cost savings. It is possible that Tesla plans to release a 300-mile range Cybertruck first and then a 500-mile range quad-motor version later. This is because, at the current energy density of 4,680 cells, it is more likely that Tesla would start with a lower range variant and wait until they can ramp up production of the new cells with higher energy density before they release a 500-mile range Cybertruck. Despite the uncertainty around the Cybertruck's range, Tesla buyers will likely purchase the first-generation Cybertruck for its unique features, such as the exoskeleton and access to supercharging, and then upgrade to a higher-range model later on. Some people are already buying regular Teslas to hold them over until the Cybertruck is ready. At the end of the day, Tesla is known for paying attention to the details of their vehicles, no matter how small they may seem. Even if it were a 500-mile range variant, Tesla would still pay attention to the side and shape of the side view mirrors to ensure that the vehicle is as sufficient as possible. This attention to detail is one of the reasons why Tesla has become one of the most innovative and successful companies in the automotive and energy industries. The side view mirrors are not the only changes that have been observed in the latest prototype. Many people have commented on the overall appearance of the vehicle, with some expressing dissatisfaction with its design. One of the most common criticisms is the angle of the back tailgate, which has always been considered the weakest aspect of the Cybertruck's design. The new prototype seems to have a bigger and bulkier diffuser than the original, which could indicate a change in the vehicle's aerodynamics. Furthermore, the proportions of the tailgate seem to have changed, with some speculating that it has a narrower design. This could potentially impact the exoskeleton production process, although it is not clear how significant this change would be. Some have expressed concern that this could affect the unique ramp feature that was a highlight of the original design. This feature allowed the tailgate to fold down and become a ramp, making it easier to load and unload ATVs, motorcycles, and other equipment into the bed of the truck. Another change that has been noticed in the latest prototype is the black bar on top of the tailgate that was used to house the brake lights. This bar now seems to be larger than before, and the brake lights appear to be less centered than they were in the original prototype. While there were some concerns about the changes to the Cybertruck's design, it is important to remember that this is not necessarily the final production model. It is possible that Tesla will make further modifications before the vehicle is released to the public. Despite some criticisms, there is still a lot of excitement and anticipation surrounding the Cybertruck, especially its unique exoskeleton design and potential for advanced features like a 500-mile range variant. I'm not entirely sure what the advantages are of Tesla ditching certain features on their Cybertruck, but it seems like they're trying to use less steel overall and make the manufacturing process more efficient. For example, they're getting rid of things like door handles and large port doors that require their own separate steel components. Additionally, the Powered to No cover on the Cybertruck prototype seems like a promising feature that could help with aerodynamics and efficiency, although I'm not sure how well it will hold up over time. I also noticed that the suspension on the prototype seems to be lower in the back, which might be a deliberate attempt to improve aerodynamic drag and maximize efficiency. While this could be seen as an unattractive design choice, I have to admit that it's an interesting approach to balancing form and function. Tesla seems to be confident in the Cybertruck's design despite some mixed reactions from the public. They've received many reservations and are planning to start limited production later this year, with full-scale production beginning in 2024. While the Cybertruck may not be the most affordable option on the market, there's certainly a lot of demand for it. And Tesla may be able to charge a premium for the first-generation models, especially since it's the most awaited Cybertruck first-generation model. There's tons of demands, so they can charge whatever they want, but hopefully, Tesla would think otherwise and cut a slack by making the Cybertruck as affordable as possible. Affordable doesn't mean cheap, alright? Affordable, by which I mean reasonably priced. But then again, it's Tesla. No matter what they sell, people would still line up to get themselves one or maybe two or more. That's how much power Tesla holds. Overall, it's fascinating to see how Tesla pushes the boundaries of electric vehicle design and manufacturing. I'm curious to know how the Cybertruck will perform on the market and what innovations we'll see from Tesla in the future. Well, are you excited about the latest updates? Share your thoughts by leaving us comments below. We'd also appreciate it if you hit the notification bell so we can offer you more luxury videos. Only here at Luxury Mindset.